Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is for the 6x6 challenge over on my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the video description if you're interested. The theme for this week's challenge is tags. I'm working on hot press watercolour paper, and the first thing I'm doing is applying two different shades of Dilutions paint. These are Fresh Lime and Calypso Teal. Next I'm going to add some stamping to my background. Again, I'm using some Dilutions paint, this time in Bubblegum Pink, and I'm using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam to apply the paint to my stamp. To develop my background further, I've chosen to use some paper by 7 Gypsies. I've torn out 3 different pieces and I'm going to adhere this to my piece using Golden Matte Medium. Once I've done this, I then take some gesso and sponge this through a piece of sequin waste to add some contrast. Now I'm making the tag for my piece. I've chosen some smooth white cardstock. I'm painting this all over with some Dilutions paint in Bubblegum Pink, and then I add some of the same torn paper that I added to the background. Now I'm painting a second piece of card with Dilutions paint, this time in Fresh Lime. Once this is dried, I stamp it with an Invoke Arts text stamp, and I use Archival ink in jet black for this. After cutting out my text on a paper trimmer, I'm adding it to my tag using some Golden Matte Medium. Once I've done this, I then add the tag corners using a punch by Tonic Studios, and then I go around the lettering with a black Posca paint pen. I also use the same paint pen to add some detail to the main background piece. Finally, I'm attaching my tag to my background using a Tim Holtz tiny attacher. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I appreciate it when you hit the like button. If you're interested in joining in with the 6x6 challenge, there is a link to that in the video description. There's a new challenge posted every Saturday and it's open to anybody of any level or ability.